To enable bold font feature on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel. And then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display. Tap display. Scroll down the screen. Tap font size and style. Now tap the gray on offset next to bold font until the switch turns blue to turn it on. With this setting, your system tag will now appear in bold across menu, apps, and notification. Given to the function, enabling bold font will make text easier to read and add clarity to your screen. It's especially useful if you prefer stronger, more visible text for better accessibility or style. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.